Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can follow topics on Twitter app, and it really doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or Android, the process will be pretty much the same. Alright, so the first step what you need to do here is to click on your profile icon that is on a top left corner, and then as you can see here the third option is topics, and first will be basically the topics that is suggested for me, as you can see here. But if you are not interested of these topics or you want to see more, as you can see here on the bottom there is a button, more topics, and then these topics will be sorted out by categories. For example, anime, art and culture, business and finance, careers, fitness, food, gaming, whatever topic category you want. And if you press on a particular topics, as you can see here, that particular topic will be sorted out by many different topics like arcade gaming, cloud gaming, esports, gaming consoles, gaming influencers, and much more, right? And if you're interested for example to follow some topic, press follow, and after few minutes, if there is some content, basically that particular content will appear in your news feed. All right, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.